Hello, today we're making an amazing butter chicken. Here are all the ingredients we need. We're marinating the chicken with yogurt, red chili, turmeric, and ginger garlic paste. Mix it well to coat every piece. Melt the butter in the kadai over medium heat. Butter is absolutely essential in butter chicken. It's in the name. Cover the marinated chicken and let it rest for 30 minutes. This time allows the spices to penetrate the meat perfectly. Chop the fresh tomatoes into quarters. The tomatoes will give butter chicken that silky, velvety sauce we're after. Add the marinated chicken to the hot butter. Listen to that beautiful sizzle. We're searing the chicken to lock in all those flavors. Blend the tomatoes until completely smooth. We want a silky, lump-free puree for the perfect sauce texture. Now add the tomato puree. Stir well to combine the chicken, tomatoes, and butter. Watch as the sauce begins to thicken beautifully. Cook the chicken on medium-high heat for 5 to 6 minutes. We want a nice golden brown color on all sides. Now we add fresh cream. This is what makes butter chicken so velvety and rich. Stir gently until the cream is fully incorporated into the sauce. Add garam masala and salt. This spice blend is the magic touch of Indian cuisine. Stir and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. The final touch, crush dried fenugreek leaves between your palms and add them. This gives the authentic aroma and flavor. Our butter chicken is ready. Look at that consistency. Perfectly creamy and velvety. Transfer the butter chicken to a serving bowl and garnish with fresh cilantro. Serve it with naan bread or basmati rice. Absolutely delicious. There you have it, authentic butter chicken. Creamy, spiced, and absolutely delicious. Serve with naan or rice. Enjoy!